Cute. Here at the Museum of Making Music in Carlsbad, California. All kinds of instruments, and there is a display touch screens where you can learn about instruments. Look at this grand piano with beautiful art here, Hispanic art, and you can see dancers, like a history of the world. We have a little singer here, guitars on display, and even silver guitar. All kinds of fun stuff. Here's a Steinway & Sons Model B grand piano, built in 1902. An art case piano is one that features a combination of carvings and paintings. Look at this beautiful paintings on the side. Really cute. And it displays a history of Italian families, a Hispanic family. Here's the music, just sit down and play, make a music. Awesome! Mandolin.
The band.
Awesome! Woohoo! This is barcodes. Wow! I know. Exactly. Woodwind instruments. Yeah, clarinets. This guitar looks like somebody bite a piece off of it. Oh, different covers for drums, hand pedals, mufflers. Nice. Cool drum sets. Electric guitars. Nice. And more guitars. And funny pianos. Also Steinway & Sons. My goodness.
This is the Steinway & Sons Victory vertical piano that was shipped out to people in World War II.
Yeah. So, like any other producers during World War II, во время Великой Отечественной войны Steinway & Sons запрещалось производить музыкальные инструменты. They were not allowed, prohibited from making instruments. Instead, they were producing troop transport gliders and coffins. However, Steinway & Sons petitions and receive a government award to produce this kind of pianos. They're actually made of metal, as you can see. And these pianos were ruggedized to both withstand the harsh environment that troops might encounter near front lines and to endure being airdropped in crates. And deliveries were available in this olive, blue, and gray from 1942 through 1945. Really cool. Wow. Look at this electric guitar. Oh, French horn, валторна, как я их обожаю. Just love the sounds of French horns. What will you play for us here? Harpeggi. We need a pick. So beautiful. Very fun. You cannot not like music. Every time our students are taking lessons and we see them in recitals, it's so much fun. Like Mason and Hamlin. The funniest thing is that there is a stand here for coffee. From 19th to 1920s. Look at this organ. Look at the pedals to press. Corolla. Oh, old pianos with the built-in sounds and tapes. Harps, lyre. Amazing. Look at this drum, so beautiful. A different sound when you are using microphones. That's so cool. I have special packs. There's 2 of them right here to play this instrument. So a sound bit without just using my hand, and sound with the packs. Use the soft drum. Similar like when you open your piano, you see these dumb pedals inside. So similar, you don't use this wooden part, you use this. You hear difference? Sharp, full, thin, heavy, right? Beautiful. Humans have always been fascinated with music, and same the animals. You probably notice that your pets, your dogs, would listen to the pretty music. Even flowers flourish well by listening to classical music. It's a known fact. We don't hear anything. But Dean hears because he wears microphone. So you can buy electric guitar like Yamaha or Clavinova with headphones, so when parents are sleeping, kids can safely practice and don't wake up anyone. And I see for Alice is open in front. Oh, I want to play that piece too. Wow, small guitars for kids and a little electric drum set. Oh, look who's gonna record and do scratch. Nice. Oh. And there are picks for guitars, so you can try it. А вот здесь посередине в чашечке. Yeah, take your pick. Look at this guitar in the shape of a flower. So cute. And this one with a handle. Wow, this is a Ritter. Love it. Right, let's find out the kids' room. Nice. So without microphones, you hear just creepy sounds, hardly any sounds. But when you press a melody, you can press it like on a piano, like your fingers can play one key at a time. Or you can press it like chords, but actually when you play it as melody, it sounds nicer. Can you play so you can record it, the sound, if it's possible? Can you try it? Let's see. And can you play actually a melody instead of playing chords? Like let your fingers play. It's really cool. We've been sitting here and playing for some time. Such enjoyable instruments.
Super cool.
Yeah, and this one is really cool. Hammered. Dulcimer. Very cool. Strike the keys, or you can slide down. Yeah, really cool. Beautiful. Как Лира. Спасибо за представление.